DT400 so far. Right, we managed to save the mudguard. We found one in America, a brand new one. It was 650 quid, plus postage, plus the import and VAT or whatever. So we thought we better save this. It was cracked through here, all cracked around there, but we managed to get it back. We saved that. So that's all good. Front mudguard's not a real one, but it's the only one we had. It's so hard to find parts for this. So I just painted a plastic one silver. Saved those, saved the headlight. That was just a lump of rust. The whole bike come in boxes and we didn't know what we had and what we didn't have. We got to get these clocks sorted. It's mainly the rev counter, but we found somewhere where we can send that. It's going this blue, which is not standard. It won't suit the purist, but it makes it individual, and I like individual bikes. Got to get the decals. That will make tank. There's a little dink there I missed, so I've got to sort that. The engine has come up very nice, I think, you find. Not too bad. I haven't torqued the head down yet and put a gasket on it, got to do that. But in general, I think it's becoming a nice bike. We managed to save the exhaust, because they're silly money if you can find one. And at the moment I'm trying to save the oil tank. Just got them bits dropped down. There's a few dinks in that. That's going to go blue, the same as the tank. We got the decals coming. There's lots of nuts and bolts that we need to replace, and ones that we're missing on. But finding parts for this is near on impossible. So the next video might be a little while yet while we're waiting for parts.